Hello guys, welcome back to another video. If you are working in movies, OTT show or any post-production studio, this video is for you. Today we are gonna clear up three super basic but absolutely essential concepts. So this is Balkishan from VFX episode. Let's start the video. Pixel, aspect ratio and resolution. Now I know what you are thinking right now, that I already know this, but wait, knowing the term is not enough. If you don't know how they work in real production, you can mess up a whole shot. So let's break it down in a clean, simple way with example from some actual film pipelines. Alright, first, what is pixel? Think of pixel as the smallest piece of image, just colored dot. Let's say you are working in a plate that is 2048 by 858, or that means 2048 pixel wide, 858 pixel tall. So each of those little dots carries color and luminance information. All your paint, roto and comp work is happening on that grid of pixels. If you zoom in far enough in Nuke or Photoshop, you literally see those tiny square pixels. In film pipeline, pixel accuracy is everything. One time a junior artist painted out a rig, but he left two mismatched pixels near the edge. We saw it on the DI projection. Boom. Again, we have to redo. So the pixel accuracy is most important in film pipelines. Next is aspect ratio. This tells you the shape of your frame. It is written as a width and height. Some common aspect ratio is 1 ratio 16, 16 ratio 2, 1 ratio 1, 2.39 ratio 1, that is scope for feature films, 1.85 ratio 1, that is flat. Some feature film and many OTT original use this aspect ratio. Let's say your comp is 2048 by 858, that is 2.39 ratio 1. But if your mask, flares or lens distortion don't match the final aspect ratio, your work might get cropped or misaligned. I saw a shot in Netflix series where a glint pass was beautiful done in 1.85 ratio 1, but the final grade was letterbox to 2.39 ratio 1 and the glint was half outside the safe area. Result, they had recomp 17 shot before final DI. So always you have to check your aspect ratio first before starting your work. Now resolution. Now resolution is the total number of pixels in your frame. It's written as a width and height. Here are few formats you are actually see in the post. 1920 by 1080, that is HD, 2048 by 858 2K scope format, 1998 by 1080 2K flat format, 4096 by 1716 4K scope format, and there are a lot of other resolutions also. So you have to check your resolution before starting a work. Now here is the key point. More resolution means more detail, but also it will take more render time, heavier plate and slower your script. So let's tie it together. Pixel means it's an individual image dots. Resolution is a total pixel in width and heights. So your one frame is covered by so many pixels, millions of pixels, and the total pixel is a resolution. Suppose your resolution is 1920 by 1080. So 1920 in width and 1080 in height. Aspect ratio is just a shape of your frame. I remember once a cleanup team did all their paint on a wrong resolution template. All paint stroke had to be redone. 2 days of work gone. So always set up your script project setting properly from start. So why it matters in real production? Let's talk real consequences. A wrong aspect ratio lead to framing error. A matte painting looked fine in preview but got cropped in DI. Wrong resolution going to lead tracking mismatch. Due to this, sometimes color pipeline also mismatch. Even LUTs behave differently if your resolution or pixel ratio doesn't match the LUT plate reference. In studios, this is not just about looking good, it's about delivery, QC and client trust. So yeah, pixel aspect ratio and resolution sound basic, but in film production, they are foundation. If you mess this up, it doesn't matter how good your comp is, it won't pass QC. Hope this helped and clear things up. If you want me to explain bit depth, color space, drop a comment below. And of course, hit that like button if this video added value and share and subscribe this video. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep comping smart.